Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I am working on a 2002 Honda Civic GX, and what I'm doing is replacing the bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen sensor, and it's right in front of the vehicle, and then you go back and it's right after the catalytic converter, and it's right there. This is what we're going to be replacing. This oxygen sensor, bank 1, oxygen sensor 2. And as you can see, it's a little wet because I already put some BB blaster on it for it can be much easier. So what I'm going to do is connect the wiring on the top. I don't really know what they did here, but if you can see, the wiring goes all the way up to the top. And they got a mess of wires up there when I was looking at it. I'm going to show you right quick. So it's right in the front. It's right here. There's no way to keep the hood open, so I put a hammer just to hold it there. So it's right here, right in the front. And look, all this wire mess. All these wires that are loose all around. So you're going to have to follow the wire that come from all the way in the top. This is sensor 1, bank 1, sensor 1, right in the front. The one in the bottom is bank 1, sensor 2. So the wiring is this one right here. As you can see the mess of wiring, how everything is loose. I'm gonna try to fix it up. So you're just gonna have to go down and follow the wire. So what we're going to do is, first thing is disconnect it. So what we're going to do is just press the clip right here. Put the camera right here. Let's see if we can, I'll put the camera up here. Right there. So what you're going to do is press this right here. Press it down and pull it. And once you pull it, you can let it drop all the way down. And what we're going to do, what you're going to need is a oxygen sensor socket, and I have a 7/8 with a 3/8 ratchet and a long extension. And what you're going to do, it's going to go down here. And what you're going to do is just try to put it straight in. Let me see if I can, I'm just going to, let me see if I can do, okay. Just, here we go. Get it loose. Okay, so right there I got it nice and loose. Do it by hand. Bring the wire down. And, oh man, look at this. I didn't notice that. They created an extension in order to reach all the way up there, where all that wire and messy up there. Look at this. See, they cut it here. They connected this here, and then all the way down. That's what they did. Whoever replaced this the last time. Because I'm going to show you the other oxygen sensor. Okay. Okay, there it goes. It's a little, there it goes. Let me show you what I was just talking about. As you can see, they created an extension on this, but there's a whole bunch of extra wires up there. So I'm just gonna try to let me get a rag, and I'm gonna show you the new one. They got a Denso first time fit oxygen sensor, and it goes to part number in case you need it, 234-4092. And remember, see how long this one is, And look at this one. It's not as long as that one. It's pretty long, but I don't know. It's actually the same size. Let me see. A little shorter, but you see this extension. I don't know what they did there. I'm just gonna replace this. So what I'm gonna do is put some anti-seize on it right here. I don't like doing it with my hand, but I'm gonna have to clean that part. You see that part where it fit here there? You don't want it to go there, you just want it to go in the thread. But it's hard to do with one hand, so I'm just gonna clean it up. Alright, let me clean the oxygen sensor up and do this nicely, and I'll be right back. Clean it up a little bit. Now we're just gonna go down to the bottom. Put it in by hand first. Make sure it goes straight because you don't want to strip it. Make sure that it's nice and put right in there. Grab my hand. Then you take your ratchet, your long extension, and the oxygen sensor socket. And what you're gonna do, see the gap? You're gonna put it right in there. Make sure that you do spin it. Make sure you do it straight. I can't emphasize that enough. You don't want this to be stripped. Okay. When you feel that it's nice and tight, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this wire and you're gonna put it right through here so we can go to the top. I still gotta fix that mess up the wiring they had. So we're gonna put it right there through the top so we can reach. There goes the oxygen sensor. Put the wire right through. We're gonna come right back to the top. Grab the wire. There goes right here. I'm gonna take the connector. You put this right back over here. And all you're gonna do is press this down, connect it, and that's it. You have replaced it. You're not gonna have all this mess of wires that I have here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna somehow fix all this mess of wire, because you see, you don't want this wire to be loose like this, because if not, it's gonna get hot, it's gonna burn, or it can get stuck here. So somehow I gotta fix this wiring for them, because I really don't know what they did here. You can see it's a mess of wires. But that's how you change the oxygen sensor of bank 1 sensor 2, and that's the one after the catalytic converter. And that's how easy it is. You may not have this mess of wires like I said before. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna fix it. So this is how you change the oxygen sensor on a Honda Civic GX. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me at nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. Later.